buddy. We're just gonna be friends, okay? We're gonna be friends. Hey, buddy. Hey, Tigger. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I got some good treats here. Yeah, come on. Yeah, that's a good kitty. He wants to come. Come on. Yeah. You'll make it so much easier. Just come over here. We don't have to do anything crazy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come here, Tigger. Come on. Good kitty. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. There you go. That's a good kitty. There you go, Tigger. Come on. Come on. You can come up here. Come on up here. There you go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Right, walk directly behind the tree. Right over here to the tree. Right, yeah, that's good right there. Come on. Yeah, come on, Tigger. Come on. Yeah, he's responding to your calling, Dad. There he comes. Yeah, come on. I'm glad you're not over there anymore. Come on. Come here, Tigger. What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? Okay, I got him. He's coming to me. You can let go to him. No. He's safely in the bag. He's safely in the bag. Okay, I'm glad we didn't have to do anything wild and crazy.